Silence. Start.
Well, here this is our model, forced convection water cooling system. In this, we are having the idea of the public drinking water system. Here we have one earthen pot and one steel pot. Where this is a research. We can say this is a research. We will calculate the temperature of the earthen pot, water in the earthen pot and water in the steel pot. Here we have an exhaust fan in the behind the chamber. By the help of exhaust fan, we will create forced convection. The heat inside the chamber is pulled out by the help of exhaust fan, and we will this can be used as a ducting device also by making a vacuum through the exhaust fan. The air from the exhaust fan will be used as a duct. Now we can also
Introduce a solar panel, which is very effective for my project. It's only one-time investment cost should be required for the installation of the project, and we compare with the water cooler. Then we say water cooler take 15 to 18,000, and this project will take only 5 to 6,000. And because of this, water cooler take regular maintenance, but this project not required any regular maintenance up to the 5 year. And this will work on the solar panel. If we connect on the solar panel, then the fan of this project is DC and AC both. So it work on the electricity, and also the consumption of the water cooler in approx 40 to 50 rupees per day. But this project can't take any regular prices for the running, and it will cool the totally water when we supplied on it. There is a total two type of earthen pot and steel pot in the chamber. One, if we go on the inside the chamber, then we get a pump which flow the water in all the fins of that chamber, and this will suck the water from outside the chamber and convert it forcefully pull outside the chamber, and cool the water we present in the pot.